contributing to over 25% of our GDP and 70% in the rural population. And cognizant of the government's agenda in terms of prioritizing agriculture as one of the 5 pillars of our economic recovery plan, the small, micro, small and medium enterprise MSMEs, housing and settlement, healthcare and digital superhighway, and the creative economy. We further note that the bottom economic transformation agenda BETA has identified cotton, tea, coffee, edible oils, maize, rice, dry leather and beef as priority agricultural value chains earmarked for increased resource allocation. And to illustrate this commitment, one of the first measures instituted by the government was to subsidize fertilizer and the continued support in farmer registration. I want to report to Your Excellency that due to increased use of fertilizer and favorable weather, we project increased maize production for the long-range season harvest. Consequently, we are putting in place measures to reduce post-harvest losses and ensure the benefits are passed to Kenyan farmers and consumers. And to this regard, we've already signed a contract for the purchase of 100 portable and fixed dryers to ensure that we reduce post-harvest losses. Your Excellency, the Kenyan coast plays an important role and contributes significantly in the agriculture sector, including food production and the export market. This region is a major producer of nuts, coconuts, that's coconuts and cashew nuts, fruits, which are mangoes, melons, and vegetables, including food crops such as cassava, sweet potatoes, cowpeas, maize, and beans. And coconut is the major cash crop in this coastal region, where the total number of coconut trees in the country stands at an approximately 10 million trees, which are highly concentrated in Kilifi, Kwale, Lamu, Tana River, Taita Taveta, and Mombasa counties. There are 83,000 farmers who cultivate coconut in their farms, spread over a total area of 205,000 hectares of land. And in total, there are 150,000 households directly depending on coconut-related family incomes in the country. So currently, coconut contributes 1.5% of the agricultural GDP at the national level. Kenya is a net exporter of cashew nuts, kernels. The main export destinations include the United States of America, the Netherlands, Canada, among others. Cashew nuts export volumes from Kenya have generally been low, ranging between 200 to 500 metric tons, valued at 500 million annually. The ministry envisaged to enhance the cashew nuts industry in the coastal counties by availing the requisite inputs, certified seedlings, and other necessary support to sustain the industrial development of this value chain. Your Excellency, to support the agro-processing and value addition under the BETA, the government will construct also a common user facility at Ndongo Kundu Special Economic Zone in Mombasa County, among other interventions. We believe that this county will inevitably play a more significant role in the implementation of the BETA agricultural value chains. For